Hello again and welcome to another video. This one's a little bit different from the ones I normally do, and the reason for that is my Samsung TV remote control decided to stop working, and I've decided to see if I can actually repair the thing. So let's open the case up, and just to let you see the model number of the one I have here. And for me, the problem is to do with the middle button. It just won't register with anything. Everything else works fine. Okay, so let's open it up. We'll slide this out and we'll remove the batteries just to be safe. And what you find now is that when you try to pull the inside out, it doesn't come out. So something's actually locking it in place. So to get the internal part out, what you have to do is find something that can slip inside the metal part of the case. And what that does is it flattens a little clip that you can't actually see. Now, I'm using cardboard here because I thought the majority of people will have a piece of cardboard. But what you can also use is a Stanley knife blade, which just slips right in very nicely. And that also pops it out as well. So now that we've pushed the cardboard in, you'll see the inside just pops out. It really is as simple as that. And there's the little clip. That's all it has to be pushed down. So again, we can take that to one side. And now we'll just have to see about getting inside this part, which means removing the 4 screws. So rather than bore you with me taking 4 screws out, we'll speed things up a little bit. And once we get the last one out, we can then see about getting this back bit off. But before we do that, what you have to do first is check this bit of paper. It's sort of stuck on. And if you just go to the bottom part where the 2 holes are, gently peel that back, just lift it up, bring it up to just a little bit where it's at the edge. You can see that how that's actually the battery compartment. Don't pull it, just leave it like that just now, it's fine. And then what we'll do is we'll now see about actually popping the side of the case. Now I've found it by just pressing the little button part there and get my nail underneath it. As you can see, it pops apart. You may have to use maybe like a plastic pick or something flat anyway if you don't have any nails. But with me, I'm just going to bring my nails right up the side, and then that should pop the case open. Then we can get inside and actually see what we can do. So now that I've run my nail right round the side, you'll see that things are coming apart, and the button part, that is that part there, that just falls out, and you just pop that back in, and you'll see that that says now inside, and this final bit, it just pops right off. Put that to one side, and now all we have to do is get the board off and have a little look at that. Not glued or anything, just little lugs, just take your time. And then there we can see the various contacts, and I'm pressing the middle one, which does click. So that's telling me that the thing should be okay. So I think what we'll need to do is actually see why that's not making contact. And this is what I found to be the easiest solution for me anyway, is just go around the edge of each of the contact sides, around each side, so just 3 sides of it. I'm just doing the left, right, and the top. Just gently go around it, and once you do that, you can then get the blade and just gently peel back the contact. Bring it a bit closer for you to look, and if you bring that back, you'll see the contact switch in the middle. And what I found there is that if you just gently take the point of the blade and gently scrape it, it takes off whatever has covered the contact. And after that, it's just then a case of folding that back down and then testing the remote control out.